Okay, so I'm at Exotics Racing in Las Vegas, Nevada, and yeah, I just got done with a ride-along in a Dodge Challenger Hellcat, and I was blown away by it. So I wanted to show you guys some footage from the ride, and then after that, then I'll actually talk about it. All three in the back, two in the back, one in the front.
Two in the back, one in the front.
Who's going?
All right, back.
All right, front.
All right. Make sure you're all buckled in.
Cool.
Good. Slightly.
That was awesome.
Well, besides the precision driving, I think you know why they need to charge as much as they do, considering how many damn tires I got to go through. Go through a set a day.
Woohoo!
That was awesome. Thanks, man.
That was fantastic.
Let me give you guys some videos.
Thank you very much. Awesome. Now they have a ton of vehicles. They have Lamborghinis, Porsche, they have Ferrari, they have Mercedes, Nissan, Audi. Just for, I mean, you name all these high-end, excuse me, like supercars, and well, obviously really, really powerful vehicles in general. And that's the Hellcat we just took a ride in, and I was just, I mean, just floored by the power. But you get the right driver behind that vehicle, and it's amazing. So, getting loud again. Here we go. Somebody's going for a ride. Awesome. So here's the Hellcat. Somebody else is getting a ride on it. I thought I'd get a video of it starting. obviously if they're doing multiple rides, they gotta cool the tires down somehow as fast as they can. That's pretty smart. It's easy and simple. Hey there, look at that. There's the car, the SRT Hellcat. Tires. Pretty awesome. They have sprayers in there to wet the tires. That's awesome. That's smart.